A is for alligator swimming in the bay. B is for bear who loves to play. C is for crab crawling on the sand. D is for dolphin swimming so grand. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog hopping along. G is for gorilla, mighty and tall. H is for hippo who loves to sprawl. I is for iguana, green and bright. J is for jellyfish glowing at night. K is for kangaroo hopping around. L is for lobster on the ocean ground. M is for monkey swinging in the trees. N is for narwhal swimming with ease. O is for octopus with egg-long arms. P is for penguin with icy charms. Q is for quokka with a smile so wide. R is for ray gliding with pride. S is for seahorse in the ocean blue. T is for turtle so old and true. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for viper who slithers tall. W is for walrus with tusks so grand. X is for xenox in the forest land. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes so rare. On a farm we have some friends with sounds that never end. Let's meet them one by one and learn the sounds. Oh, what fun! The cow goes moo, moo, moo. The sheep goes baa, baa, baa. The pig goes oink, oink, oink. And the horse goes neigh, neigh, neigh. The chicken goes cluck, cluck, cluck. Up, 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 up. The duck goes quack, quack, quack. The goat goes ma, ma, ma. And the dog goes woof, woof, woof. The cat goes meow, meow, meow. The donkey goes hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. The turkey goes gobble, gobble, gobble. And the geese go hawk, hawk, hawk. The rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. The frog goes ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. The owl goes hoot, hoot, hoot. So many animals on the farm, each with their unique charm. Their sounds fill the air on the farm. Life is fair. Today, we are going to see Arctic animals named. Let's sing together. Polar bear, so big and white. Arctic fox, with fur so bright. Arctic wolf, with eyes so keen. Walrus, its tusks serene. Seal, swimming in the sea. Snowy owl, so wild and free. Narwhal tusk is long and bright. Beluga whale is a lovely sight. Musk ox with its woolly coat. Scarlet reindeer taking note. Arctic hare, so quick and fleet. Bowhead whale in icy treat. Ptarmigan blending in the snow. Kittiwake on cliff will show. Arctic tern flies far and wide. Sing with joy and you will see. The Arctic world's a mystery. From the polar bears to the seabirds' flight. In the Arctic, there's magic in the night. Hello kids! Today we are going to see world's biggest toothed animals. Let's sing together. 1, 2, 3. Elephant with tusks so white. Hippo in the water, strong and white. Narwhal in the icy sea. Walrus with tusks big and free. White shark with teeth so sharp. Saber-toothed tiger prowling dark. Crocodile with jaws so strong. Orca swims, teeth can't go wrong. Gorilla in the forest green. Tall teeth rarely seen. Hyena laughs with teeth so bright. Beaver builds with teeth that bite. Warthog grunts with teeth so strong. Biggest toothed animals, they roam. In the wild they find their home. From the ocean deep B for bear, bear. C for cheetah, cheetah. D for deer, deer. E for elephant, elephant. F for fox, fox. G for giraffe, giraffe. H for hyena, hyena. I for ibex, ibex. J for jaguar, jaguar. K for kangaroo, kangaroo. L for lion, lion. M for monkey, monkey. N for nyala, nyala. O for ocelot, ocelot. P for panda, panda. Q for quokka, quokka. R for rhinoceros, rhinoceros. S for sloth, sloth. T for tiger, tiger. U for walkerty, walkerty. V for vulture, vulture. W for wolf, wolf. X for xenopus, X, xenopus. Y for yak, yak. Z for zebra, zebra. Hello, kids. This is ABC. Come on, sing with me. A is for albatross, albatross. E is for bluebird, bluebird. C is for canary, canary. D is for dove, dove. E is for eagle, eagle. F is for flamingo, flamingo. G is for goose, goose. H is for hummingbird, hummingbird. I is for ibis, ibis. J is for jay, jay. K is for kingfisher, kingfisher. L is for lark, lark. M is for magpie, magpie. N is for nightingale, nightingale. O is for owl, owl. P is for parrot, parrot. Q is for quail, quail. R is for robin, robin. S is for sparrow, sparrow. T is for toucan, toucan. U is for umbrella bird, umbrella bird. V is for vulture, vulture. W is for woodpecker, woodpecker. X is for hummingbird, zat is hummingbird. Y is for yellowhammer, yellow hammer. Z is for zebra finch, zebra finch. Bye bye, see you again. Subscribe my channel. Ta. A is for angelfish, swimming with grace. B is for blue whale, the biggest in the space. C is for clownfish, in the coral it hides. D is for dolphin, riding the tides. E is for eel, slithering like a snake. F is for flounder, flat as a pancake. G is for grouper, big and strong. H is for hammerhead, with a head so long. I is for isopod, tiny but neat. J is for jellyfish, with tentacles that sting and greet. K is for kraken, a legendary sea beast. L is for lobster, for a seafood feast. M is for manatee, gentle and round. N is for nautilus, with its shell so profound. O is for octopus, with 8 arms to hug. swam in the sand. Pa 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 pa. R is for Ray, gliding so grand. Pa 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 pa. S is for Seahorse, holding tails tight. Pa 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 pa. T is for Turtle, taking a slow, steady flight. Pa 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 pa. U is for Urchin, spiny and small. Pa 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 pa. V is for Viperfish, in the deep where it's dark. Pa 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 pa. W is for Whale Shark, spotty and grand. Pa 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 pa. X is for Zipposaur, horseshoe crab, ancient and grand. Pa 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 pa. Y is for Yellowfin Tuna, fast in the sea. Pa 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 pa. Z is for Zebra Shark, with stripes so pretty. Pa 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 pa. A to Z, we've explored the sea, with all the creatures living wild and free. Today, we are going to see Arctic animals named. Let's sing together. Polar bear, so big and white. Arctic fox, with fur so bright. Arctic wolf, with eyes so keen. Walrus, its tusks serene. Seal, swimming in the sea. Snowy owl, so wild and free. Narwhal tusk is long and bright. Beluga whale is a lovely sight. Musk ox with its woolly coat. Scarlet reindeer taking note. Arctic hare, so quick and fleet. Bowhead whale in icy treat. Ptarmigan blending in the snow. Kittiwake, our cliff will show. Arctic tern flies far